What could be worse than Monday?
Hi, Garfield.
What could be worse than Monday, Garfield? Oh, how about Monday with Nermal around?
I learned a new cute trick. Watch.
This must stop.
Yes, may I help you?
I'm interested in the free kittens.
What free kitten?
This sign was in your front lawn. Free kitten to anyone, no questions asked, might even pay you $20 to take it.
Garfield! Sorry, this offer void were prohibited. You can't give Nermal away.
I know, I've tried.
And paying someone $20 to take Nermal.
You're right. Make it 50 and I'll throw in Odie.
I should have let her have you. Either you be nice to Nermal or I'm never going to feed you again. I said, either you be nice to Nermal or I'm never going to feed you again.
I'm thinking.